This security camera can bring you so much peace of mind by helping you keep an eye on what's happening in your yard. We mounted ours in our backyard, and we know now that we can keep an eye on what's passing through our yard. We actually often get bears in our yard, so this is a way to kind of see what kind of activity is happening regarding animals in our yard. But you can put it by your front door to see anybody who is visiting your home or dropping off packages. You can put it by your garage door so you can also monitor delivery trucks and pretty much any cars coming in and out of your driveway. It's pretty easy to install and set up. We mounted it to our deck, so we screwed it straight into some wood. And the camera has its own app, so you monitor everything straight on your phone. So you can tune into a live recording of your backyard. That's currently what's happening in my backyard. Nobody's passing through, but you can kind of see the flag is waving there. The shadow of the flag is waving there. So you can see there is movement, that is a live shot of what's happening. But you can also click on the events tab here at the bottom, and that will show you any specific events that happened in your yard. It'll record animals or people or even packages and let you know what happened. So if you didn't catch it live, there are still recordings of what happens. So for example, there's this one where it monitored that there was a person in my backyard. You can also speak through the camera. There's also an alarm and a light and an SD card for storage as well, and you can take pictures. So there are just so many different options on how you can use this camera to monitor your home.